I'm in. Any news, Barb?
No. He's been gone 2 days. I'm worried. You know what he's been like since...
I'll find him.
I hope you're right.
Harley Quinn's preparing for some kind of siege. What's she planning?
Find Batman and get the hell out of there, okay?
Don't worry, Barb. It's me, remember?
You sound just like him.
You left me to die. 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 You left me to die.
Who the hell is this loser?
It's Robin! Kill him!
You scared, Robin? You
Does it hurt?
Shut your stupid mouth! You're just lucky I need you later.
Barb, I found the missing cops. Quinn's got them.
Any sign of Bruce?
Negative. I'm gonna keep looking. Harley's telling the cops she's got some sort of plan for them. They'll be safe for now.
Be careful.
This'll end okay. I promise.
You think? He's not been the same since... He won't even talk about Talia or Joker.
We'll help him once we find him. It's all we can do.
Please. The GCPD will storm this place. You'll all get killed.
Really? I don't think so.
You're crazy.
No, I'm in mourning. You may want to remember that.
Good evening, Gotham. This is Vicky Vale, reporting live at the Arkham City site. The siege between Harley Quinn and the GCPD is now in its second day. Minutes ago, I asked Commissioner Gordon to comment on reports that Batman himself is missing.
The situation here is ongoing. As you can see, the GCPD is doing its best to keep the area contained.
Commissioner, can you comment on reports that Batman is in Arkham City?
Last time I checked, Miss Vale, Batman did not come under my jurisdiction.
Really? Are you telling Gotham that you do not unofficially sanction his activities? And what about Joker's body? Can you tell Gotham where it is?
We're done here. Get these reporters moved out of my damn sight.
Rumors persist that this is some kind of retaliation over the death of the Joker 2 weeks ago. Arkham City is once again in a state of lockdown. If Batman is indeed in there, I hope he's safe. From my experience, Arkham City is not a place you want to find yourself trapped in. This is Vicky Vale. More as it happens.
You heard from Harley?
Nah, she's probably still crying.
She'd better get over the boss soon. She's turning into a liability.
And what? You thinking of taking over?
Maybe.
That I'd like to see.
You think I can't do it?
Oh yeah? And what's your gimmick? Freeze is a crazy scientist who's got that freezer gun. Two-Face has got that burnt thing going on. What's yours?
I'll figure something out.
Yeah, right. Best you've got is that you killed all that family on Thanksgiving Day 'cause your mommy burnt the turkey, and you promised to get her a new one.
The Turkey Man. I like it.
You gonna shut your mouth or do you want me to do it for you?
What's up, Turkey Man? Gobble, gobble.
Just shut up. I mean it.
Chill out. We're just messing with you.
Look out! Robin! crazy.
She was crazy before.
Yeah, well, now she's crazy. She just wants revenge. You heard her.
At least she's got the bat. Once he's dead, maybe she'll calm down.
I doubt it. She's lost it. How do we know she won't just kill all of us in some crazy revenge-driven plan? It wouldn't be the first time someone tried something like that.
That is a good point. We should get a plan together. Work out how to get the hell out of this place if things turn bad.
Turn bad? Joker's dead, Harley's crazy, and we're still stuck in this hellhole? How much worse can things get?
Things always get worse.
Where's Batman sitting now, Robin?
Nothing yet. Don't sweat it. If anyone comes this way, I'll make them regret it.
You better. I've lost contact with the rest of the guys and I don't like it.
It's not a problem. When I kill this sucker, it'll be cool. Then we can maybe come...
What?
Nothing.
Did you just make a move on me?
No, I mean, I'm just being friendly. Trying to help.
Measure up to my Joker? He was the best Joker. This is so much you. Just think it's okay to move in on his part?
No, please. You don't understand.
Oh, I understand.
No, really.
Just do what I want, I may forgive you. Feel like you'll regret it. How did you deal with these?
Robin, he's here!
Hello? Are you there? What's happening? Oh, for the love of... What's wrong with you people? Hello? Whoever you are, I know you're there. You hear me? I know you're there, but it's too late.
Hurry the hell up.
Just making sure it's done right.
Harley's overreacting. Batman came through here earlier, and now he's ours.
Yeah, but what if some other hero comes to save him?
What, like the kid he works with? I'm not scared of no kid.
What about the cat? She sometimes works with him.
I'm not scared of her either.
Well, I am, which is why I'm gonna do this right.
Go on, pick it up.
No way, man. That thing's dangerous. You saw what it did.
What? It's just a belt.
No, it's Batman's belt.
So what? It's still just a belt. What? You afraid of a little electric shock?
Don't do it. He's screwing with you.
No, I'm not.
I knew it.
Last guy who tried to pick up that belt got 50,000 volts running through him.
Screw you. You pick it up.
No way. That thing's dangerous.
Robin, he's here!
What's going on? Have you found him?
Just keep the damn site covered. I don't want that madwoman getting out of there. Understand?
Harley Quinn.
How'd you guess? Her goons ambushed my guys and dragged them towards the steel mill. We can't get close.
I'll handle it.
You sure? You know she blames you, right? Could be a trap.
Fall back and stop anyone else getting hurt. I'll handle the rest.
When this mess is cleared up, we need to talk about that other problem. Remember? I know you blame yourself. Don't. It wasn't your fault. You look terrible.
Just get this done and get the hell out of Arkham City. I'm freezing here.
Joker's one tricky son of a bitch. He's not dead. It was Clayface, or some kind of mannequin. Must have been.